these are those mounts.
Yeah. So those ones are going to be canister style.
Yep.
Folks use them for air tanks or
nitrous bottles.
Nitrous bottles.
There we go.
That's what you do.
Dude, I can't believe how sturdy that is. That's insane. That's not going anywhere. I go to the track like every weekend, and I just throw everything in the truck, but I like live out of the truck every weekend, so I'm like, I need a better way to organize my stuff, because I'm like neurotic when it comes to organization, but my like track weekends are a mess because I have no way to organize my ratchet straps and my jacks and just everything I bring with me. It's a disaster. Yeah. So I'm like, oh, I need to figure out a better way to do this.
We've got you covered.
Yeah,
that is it.
It's literally why we're here.
I know. It couldn't work out better. Hey guys, Chris here at Built Right. A couple weeks ago, a good friend of mine, Grant, came to check out our shop to see what we do, how we do it, and how our products can make his life so much easier by keeping his gear secure, whether it's in his personal life, his professional life, his drifting, his hobbies. So what we're gonna do is load up a few products that we selected, bring them up to his house. He's about 20 minutes from us. We're gonna check out his shop. We're gonna mount up our products, maybe drink some beers, maybe get a little bit weird, and secure his gear.
Okay, we need a couple more supplies, right?
Like 30 supplies.
What's the supply of choice?
Oh, we're going to Grant's, so it's got to be a PBR. Just reminding you to secure your beer. This is good. This is just good content.
Okay, and we're off.
This is where I spend every waking moment of my life when I'm not at work, so it's amazing. It's cool, right? Oh, you saw it at the Cars and Coffee, yeah. But anyways, I look over, he's doing a burnout in his driveway. I'm like, oh, perfect. You are moved to the best spot in the world. He came over last night. He'll just show up when the doors are open, and he's like,
That's the best kind of day.
yeah. No, it's sick. He's like, you should work in my truck. Here's a 12-pack. I'm like, gotcha. All right, gotcha. Straps in the truck all the time, like all the time. Gotta keep that thing on me
because we have multiple solutions.
Okay.
The straps work really nicely in these water resistant pouches.
Yeah.
That's what I like to do is just shove them in here.
Yeah.
But we also have like those quick fit straps that you can strap in if you want to have them really easily accessible.
Okay.
Stubby antenna.
Oh. Big install night. Stubby antenna. Hell yeah. No, this is cool. That stupid dinky antenna, it's like, you're done.
Yeah. These are tech nails.
Okay, these are the Velcro ones, right?
Yeah. So we'll
those.
check to see if you have hook Velcro or hook carpet in your truck to see if these fit. I think they'll work.
Okay.
But it's always good, especially when you're buying these, to make sure that
that you have the right. Yeah. The only reason I have a 4-door is because I use the back for shit. So, like, I want to put as much stuff in, like, as much accessories in there as I can, because typically looks like a bomb went off inside. This is going to be really good.
Right. That's
yeah.
Cool. All right. These are the mounts that we brought, just to make sure we had enough.
All right. I think we'll be all set.
We should be. Small, medium, and large. So
these are those mounts.
Yeah. So those ones are going to be the ones that are going to, like, canister style.
Yep.
Like folks use them for air tanks or CO2 scuba tanks.
Nitrous bottles.
Nitrous bottles.
There we go.
That's what you do. Fire extinguishers are
Dude, this is so sick.
This is my idea for the jack, are these long boys.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Because it's a small, it's that blue one right there. Just that little blue one.
Oh,
so
nice. Yeah.
It's not like, it's just.
Does it have the handle on the other side?
Yes.
Oh, we're good.
Hey, what are these made of?
Stainless.
Oh, okay. I was wondering why they were unfinished. Or I guess are they tumbled?
Tumbled.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a nice finish. I was just like, oh.
It's like, yeah, we didn't want everything to be the same.
No, I get it. I get it. Holy shit, this is sick. I'm so pumped. I don't ever work on my truck either, so this is like kind of a treat for me also.
Treat for your truck.
Well, yeah, and I drive the thing every damn day, and it's a tool. So if I get to add to my tool,
you're a tool.
Yeah, that too. Tools for everybody.
So let's start by opening those up. I'm assuming you've got tools.
No, not here, dude. Sorry, we just changed oil. Daily, I get videos of like oil rig workers with the oil lines exploding sent to me. They're like, look, it's you. Motherfucker, dude. Okay, so this is the entire side.
This is one side.
Oh, okay,
right,
okay,
so
okay.
Rear panels underneath.
Yeah.
We separate them with this piece of cardboard.
Yeah.
We use this box for a bunch of different applications.
Yeah, no, I get it. Okay, sick. Oh, I already got it in. This one's the front, this one's the back. Bing, bang, boom. This won't be bad. No. We've worked together before. You and I.
It's been probably 15 years.
It's definitely been 15 years.
Way past the duct tape days.
He's the king of duct tape.
No, I have seen so many zip ties.
I know you guys like my oil change videos so much, so I figured I would give you a antenna install. Big modification though. This lifts I think like 8 inches higher than like a regular size lift.
Size matters.
Size definitely does matter, Blackstock. Been trying to tell you that your whole life.
Get a little thick or flathead. I've packaged this product tons of times. I've never actually installed it. We'll see how hard it is to do. And maybe what we can do is just kind of like mirror each other. I'll do one side, you'll do the other.
And do you know what this is too? This is MOLLE panel install for dummies, because we have 2 dummies doing it, so it's even better.
Combined IQ of 12.
That's the most I've ever seen you work, dude.
Through here.
I already see it. That's that's sick.
So
and then does that spin and get locked in?
Yep. So mine didn't turn.
Yeah, well, I'm better than you, dude. Oh, here we go.
Chris!
Did it drop in the truck?
It's on the ground, you're lucky.
Oh, wow. I am lucky. You want to put it in for you?
That's what she said.
Okay, 3rd time's the charm. Half a turn.
I'll tell you how to do it. Pull out on it.
He doesn't pull.
I don't pull.
He has 4
Oh, no, I know he definitely doesn't.
This is one of my favorite products.
Honey, I'm home. In addition to the pizza,
Oh, my Werthers. Thank you.
Bean is going to be really appreciative of that.
2 Werthers for everyone. Oh, nice.
Thank you so much.
It looks really nice. It really does. Oh, this is sick. Oh, there goes my bedside. Dude, that's fucking cool.
So I actually want to put this in the foam.
Yep,
to help
to
prevent the rattling. Oh,
That's great.
Yeah, I gotta fix this. Chris.
Oh,
It'll stop the rattling too, because this is what was rattling.
ah, nice.
But dude, that's
Really? So it's gravity that's doing it. This is guiding it, this is guiding it, but like, dude, that looks good fucking job, dude. That looks good.
So if we do one of these, like, oh, that kind of grabs it. If this is hooked, it'll keep this from sliding out of the base also.
Exactly.
Get to work, Blackstock.
When are you gonna start doing some shit? So I'm actually thinking
You're good.
no riser in the back.
I don't think a riser.
But the riser in the front, which is gonna help keep it level.
That makes sense.
So that it's gonna look like this. I think that's the move. Just put the dad to work.
You needed a night out.
Yeah, this is a dad's night out. This is gonna be so good.
It looks nice.
It's gonna be so good when we have like the jacks mirroring each other over the wheel well.
And then the pack out on the other side.
I'm gonna cream my pan. Do you want me to get the level out?
This is so fun.
Dude, I can't believe how sturdy that is. That's insane.
I hate saying it, but that's not going anywhere. Dude, that's so good.
This is what I'm excited about.
This is what the kids call horny.
All right, give me the other one.
Is that symmetrical?
They look pretty even.
Pull out. Right.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you for your support.
You're welcome.
Good job.
It looks, dude,
So good.
it looks so
good. I can't wait to do something similar on the other side. Like maybe with like the fuel cans, maybe with the pack outs. But
It looks so good, dude.
all right, let's clean up the bed.
Dude, this is sick. Like all this stuff would have been in the bed anyway. So now that it's like up out of the way, it's just more room in the bed. So I'm gonna mount the rest of the panels on this side.
Okay.
And then I might not even put anything on them.
Yeah.
I might just mount those and then, or hard, soft mount them or whatever, and then start mounting the inside panels.
Okay.
Because I think the inside panels probably are just gonna be bags, like this mostly. Unless you do a pack out. That would be the only thing I would, yeah.
Got the one side of the bed done. It's like 3:30 in the morning.
No, it's not. It's like 10:30, but I'm kicking them out of here and we'll finish this tomorrow night or something.
We'll get the other side dialed in,
Yeah.
get the seat back panels on there, and
Ready to rip, baby. You guys are the best. This came out so good. Stoked.
Awesome.
See you later!
Bye.